to this office. Actually, I didn't know that.
Kenya Airport Authority Management is assuring travelers that the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport has sufficient backup power and is only working on synchronizing the backup supply with the main supply to avert plunging the airport into darkness whenever there is power interruption.
That is the only concern. We have the capacity. We are looking at ways and means of automating it fully so that it kicks in at the required time. And work is going on even today, tomorrow, and the days after. And we'll deal with it to finality. For the other facilities, power is kicking off as and when required in the event that we have a national outage.
Speaking during this year's KAA Awards ceremony in Kisumu, the Kenya Airports Authority Acting Managing Director revealed that a policy paper on the construction of aerodromes across the country was before the cabinet and once passed will greatly advise on the construction of airstrips and airports across the country.
The airstrip policy will inform how an airstrip is selected for purposes of development, and factors which will come into play are issues of security, issues of commerce, like can it support manufacturing, can it support distribution. Then we'll also be looking at emergencies, can it support any emergency plan, and regional connectivity.
Kisumu International Airport emerged as the best in the country, while Malindi and Wajir airports also won big during the gala event.
Best overall airport, Kisumu International Airport.
Achola Simon, Lunchtime News, Kisumu County.